Yo guys, what's up? It's TK421 back today with another video, and today I am going to be discussing the top 5 most powerful Ninjago villains by TK421. I finally found out how to put this thing to full screen, so now, well, we're good to go. So I put the Great Devourer. So for this one, I don't include the big beasts like the Great Devourer or the Oni Titan or any of the secondary main bad guys. I include the main bad guys. So yeah. So 5. Now remember, this is my opinion. So number 5, the Hands of Time. So there's Acronyx. The one on the left should line up. The one on the right is Crux. They're both in the number 5 spot because they're technically one villain together. And so yeah, I just put the season 7 villains. The Hands of Time. And then we got number 4, the Overlord. And I used the picture of the digital Overlord. I just thought it looked best of all of them. So yeah, the digital Overlord, right? So yeah, he's the Golden Master when this picture's taken. And then we got 3 Nauticon, the season 6 villain. And you can see the Jin Blade of Souls. I forget what it's called. It's been a long time since I've watched season 6. So yeah, then we got 2 Lord Garmadon. And if some of you are probably wondering, why is Lord Garmadon not in number 1? Well, if you think he's the strongest villain, then you're not really that wrong, because he's their arch nemesis. He's the villain that's appeared most times. Okay, Pythor maybe more, but he's second in my opinion. And we got first the Omega, the season 10 bad guy. Yeah, he can one hit Void and Garmadon at the same time. Literally. He's insanely strong. Probably stronger than Thanos. Maybe stronger than Emperor Palpatine. I don't know. I still haven't done a Star Wars video yet. I might do one because I'm a huge fan of Star Wars. It's my favorite thing. So yeah, and then that's it for today. I know this seems like it's my shortest video. I just wanted to tell you guys my opinion of this. I might make another video today, so yeah. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye. And I forgot to stop recording, so bye.